All right, guys, we're going to start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to reply. In part 1, your answers should be short, to the point, according to the question. Use a variety of words and variety of sentence structures to answer. Whatever the language they use in the question, try to use synonyms of that. Okay, and come up with a variety of ideas to answer each question. Do not answer every question in the same way. So I'm going to ask you some questions. What kind of weather do you like the most?
Mostly, I like to raining weather because it's a very romantic, very pleasant. Most of the time, where I belong, there is a hot weather, especially long summer weather. So mostly, I like. Raining weather
Okay.
because we enjoy a lot in lawn.
All right, that's fine. Just try to focus your fluency. And
Okay.
you're speaking word by word. Try to speak sentence by sentence. Let's go on. What is the weather like in your hometown?
Um, my hometown, especially summer period, very long. So
Summer
more
period is very long
long,
and very hot in
hot,
my
and in my
hometown. The
time uh,
temperature reaches
reaches
50.
about 40 sometime.
Okay.
So mostly people would like to winters.
Most of the people like winter
Winter season because it's very short time period, and especially for fish, for
for
soup,
fishing.
for fishing, for
All right, for
soup.
eating fish. Okay, basically the question is what is the weather like in your hometown? So answer in 4 to 5 sentences. Like in my hometown, we've got two distinctive weathers
Weather,
or seasons. One is summer
summer
and one
and
is winter.
winter.
And summers are longer, it's
Longer.
very hot, something like that, okay?
Okay.
Let's go on. Do you like the weather of your hometown?
Uh, n- Not very
Not much
much because
because yeah.
not very much because it's as I discussed before that summer period is too long, and humanity and
Humidity.
humidity
Not humanity, humidity.
humidity
There is
and
humidity.
sweating and a
Now,
lot of
what's the
problem
question? The question is,
electricity.
do you like the weather of your hometown? So, what
So
you are doing, you are lingering on with one idea too much. In part one, examiner will not allow you that much time, right? By the time you speak 2, 3, 4 sentences, examiner will ask the next question. So, it's a good idea to summarize your ideas.
okay.
Okay? Yeah, one last question. Do you prefer dry or wet weather? Dry weather means sunny day, wet weather means rainy
Rain
day.
day.
So, do you prefer dry or wet weather?
Mostly, I like wet weather because I want to eat some traditional food and by walk
Or I can take
and
a
to
walk.
take a walk and play some song in raining weather and enjoy
All
myself.
right, see, grammatically, your sentences are not correct. Fluency is the serious issue for you, okay? You need to focus there. All right, let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about getting lost. Getting lost means you went to a place and you were lost. You didn't know where to go and all that. So this is the topic. Have you ever lost your way?
Sir,
Have
sorry.
you ever lost your way? All right, I changed the topic. What's your favorite color?
My favorite
Simple as that, huh?
my favorite color is black
Why?
because it's my beautiful
Can you put the mic closer, please? Yeah.
because it's my favorite black is my favorite color because it's my favorite
See, my favorite color is black. Black
black.
is my favorite color. I like black. Same thing. You need to come up with some ideas. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black
Black.
because this color is quite dashing. Whenever I go for shopping, I always prefer black color. And this has been my favorite color since my childhood. So, to answer your question, I like black color very much. Something like this, okay?
Okay.
Simple to the point according to the question. Now, how often do you use this color?
I prefer color in party wear.
I prefer this color
I
for
prefer
party wear.
and
And especially whenever I'm
and
going
especially
anywhere.
going there and hotling.
Okay, for hootling.
For hotling and
Yeah, I love to wear black jackets.
black jackets and
It's
black
not your
shoes
question, it's her question. अपनी दफा तो बोला नहीं जा
and
रहा,
black
हाँ.
shoes
अब ideas
and
आ रहे हैं दिमाग में.
black
It's her
shoes
question.
and anywhere.
Okay. All right. What was your favorite color when you were a child?
My favorite.
When I was a child, my favorite color was pink or red or green. इतना सोचने की क्या जरूरत है? Come up with some ideas, okay? All right, let's go on. Please, it's your turn. Okay, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I mostly I do cooking.
Okay.
When cooking, I like cooking too much, so I make different dishes according to my moods. Especially biryani, I like biryani too much. So
Okay, that's fine. So you say biryani, traditional rice dish, and I like
Yeah.
it very much. Do you often watch cooking programs on TV?
yeah, of course, I mostly I watch the cooking programs on the TV, because I take help of these programs, and which helps a lot, and make me perfect.
Yeah, these programs help me,
Help
a
me
lot with my cooking skills,
with
and they
skills
make
and
me perfect.
yeah.
Okay, how often do you cook during the day?
During the day, I just
Normally cook once a
normally
day.
cook once a day. So, one dish only.
Okay, and during the weekend, do you have to make a special food?
Yeah, during the day I cook special dish because 2-3 dishes I add it, and I add 2-3 dishes, different kinds. One for a rice.
Okay, do you think cooking is a difficult skill?
No, cooking.
According to
no,
me.
according to my taste, cooking is not difficult because I like it. So I don't think so. It is difficult.
Okay, would you like to join any cooking course in the future?
Yeah, if I think, yeah, I like to join the cooking programs to which can help in my further future.
Which can help me in my further future, or which can help me improve my cooking
Improve my
skills.
cooking skills.
All right, yeah, this is fine, but you need to work on your grammar
Okay.
and speaking skills, right? Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.